Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit or remove financial goals on Nerdwallet. If you set a goal on Nerdwallet and you need to remove it or make a change, here's how to edit or delete your financial goals in just a few quick steps. First, log into your account at nerdwallet.com, and then from your dashboard scroll to the section that's labeled Goals. This is where all of your active financial goals are displayed. Now click on the specific goal that you want to update. This will open the goal detailed view showing you progress, linked accounts, and of course timeline. To edit the goal, look for an edit or update button. Now you can make changes such as the goal name, the target amount, your completion dates, or the linked account. Once you've made your changes, hit save. Nerdwallet will automatically update your progress tracking and notifications based on the new info. If you want to remove the goal completely, just click the delete goal or remove option. Usually you can find that at the bottom of the goal setting. You're going to be asked to confirm. Once you do, the goal and all related tracking will be removed from your dashboard. It's simple to refocus your priorities and to keep your goals aligned with your life. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet tutorials that help you stay flexible in control of your financial journey. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.